So here's the package. It came in the cutest purple bubble mailer, and the slime package was very protected. It came in the bubble mailer, obviously, and then the slimes came wrapped in tissue paper. Nothing leaked, cracked, or spilled, which is super awesome, and the slime package was just so secure, and I really appreciate it. So what came in the box was obviously the slimes, and then this cute little card thing. I can't really show the back because my receipt's at the back. And then it came with the cutest note, and I really appreciate stuff like this. And it also came with a packet of glitter, which was super amazing. And then this was just like a mini receipt of what I bought. And then we got slime care instructions. This came with borax, which I loved how it's labeled because you don't want to be eating this stuff. And it just has everything you need to know about slime. And then I got the cutest scrunchie, and I'm never gonna take this off. I just want to mention one of the slime's lids was not screwed on properly, but nothing dried out, so I just want to point that out. So first up we have No Stress. This is a slice slime with rainbow jumbo foam beads, and this was such a nice texture of slime. It also came with these little letter Fimo sprinkle things, and they look so perfect on top. The slime texture was amazing, but the slime did come a bit sticky, which is okay. I just added some of my own activator. I also had a problem with the beads falling out, it wasn't too crazy, so I didn't really mind. But this slime was really nice. It smelled really good. It smelled exactly like oranges, and you actually get to pick your scent for this slime, which I think was super creative. It smells really good. The slime texture was stretchy and inflated a ton, and it had really nice soft bubble crunches, and I would definitely recommend. Next up we have Unicorn Cake. This is a layered cloud slime, and it had the prettiest glitters. They did get stuck to the lid, so I just added the glitters that she sent me as an extra. Just keep in mind that this does not come with the slime. This had the prettiest colors. It had blue, pink, purple, and it just looks super gorgeous and mixed into the prettiest purple. This is probably one of the best cloud slimes I think I've ever felt. It was super fluffy, it drizzled really fast. I'm a huge fan of fast drizzly slimes. The slime was a little bit crumbly in the beginning, so I just added some activator and it helped. And this was a really nice texture. It was only slightly wet, which it does not mind, well, it doesn't really bother me. And the slime is super nice, and it made just the amazingest drizzles, and it was scented like lavender, and it smelled really good.